Welcome back to my channel O Divyansh. Today we are doing redox reactions of chemistry. Number 1, let's start. Several chemical reaction involves transfer of electrons from one chemical substance to another. These electrons transfer reactions are termed as oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. A number of phenomena, both physical well as biological, are concerned with redox reaction. These reactions find extensive and uses in pharmaceutical, biological, industrial, metallurgical and agricultural areas. First is oxidation. Addition of oxygen is S plus O2 gives SO2. Addition of electronegative atoms gives SnCl2 plus Cl2 gives SnCl4. Removal of hydrogen H2S plus Cl2 gives S plus 2HCl. Removal of electropositive element 2Ki plus Cl2 gives 2KCl plus I2. Loss of electrons Na gives Na positive plus electron negative. Positive charge increases or negative decreases. Increase in oxidation number. सो अभी तक हमने देखा कि जो केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है वो ट्रांसफ़र करती है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को, बट जो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो सेम ही रहते हैं. जो चार्ज होता है वो कंजर्व रहता है रिएक्शंस में, और पॉजिटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज होता है, नेगेटिव डिक्रीज होता है. इंक्रीज और इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर भी होता है. और जो रिएक्शंस होती हैं वो यूज़ होती है बायोलॉजिकल, इंडस्ट्रियल, मेटलर्जिकल, एग्रीकल्चर्स में एरियाज में. और फॉर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट और ऑक्सीडेंट सब्सटेंस विच सप्लाइज ऑक्सीजन रिमूव्स हाइड्रोजन इटसेल्फ रिड्यूस. उसे ऑक्सीडाइज एजेंट कहते हैं जो सब्सटेंस ऑक्सीजन को सप्लाई करते हैं और हाइड्रोजन को हटाते हैं. ठीक है. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर एलिमेंट 0 N2Cl2O2 P4 acid. For monoatomic ions, same as charge, Na positive, so +1, Mg positive, +2 Cl negative, -1 hydrogen. With non-metals, with metals, non-metal +1 oxidation number. For metals -1, like +1 for H2O, H2S, HCl, or for metals -1 LiH, CaH2, KH. Oxygen, oxide and hydroxide. In oxide -2 mostly for H2, CO, NaOH. In peroxides -1 H2, O2, BaO2. for superoxide -half KO2, SCSO4, CSO2. In fluorides +1 or +2 O2F2 or OF2. Okay. For alkali metals +1 for LiNaCk etc. alkaline. Earth metal +2 BeMgCa. Fluorine most electronegative -1 always. HFOF2 LiF. Sulfide -2 H2S ZNS. Okay. Next, electrochemical series. Metals having higher positive electroradian values undergo reduction more readily and good oxidizing agent. Metal good oxidizing agent होते हैं. Metals have higher negative EDD value undergo oxidation more readily and are good reducing agent, और good reducing agent भी होते हैं negative EDD. By oxidation number of method, Zn plus HNO3 gives ZnNO3 को whole twice plus NH4NO3 plus H2O. for skeletal equation with oxidation number Zn0 का plus HNO2 +1 +5 -2 gives ZnNO3 का whole twice +2 +5 -2 plus NH4NH3 H2O. Changing oxidation number Zn gives ZnNO3 का whole twice HNO3 gives NH4NO3. Increase in oxidation number of Zn is equals to 2. Decrease in oxidation number N is equals to 8. Then decrease in oxidation number N is equals to 8. 4 Zn HNO3 gives 4 ZnNO3 whole twice plus NH4 NO3. Addition of HNO3 on LHS, addition of H2O on RHS to balance the equation. 4Zn 10HNO3 gives 4Zn NO3 का whole twice plus NH4 NO3 plus 3H2O. Here is reduction. Addition of hydrogen S plus H2 gives SO2 H2S. Addition of electropositive elements gives HgCl plus Hg gives Hg2Cl2. Removal of oxygen CuO plus C gives Cu plus CO. Removal of electronegative element Fe to FeCl3 plus H2 gives 2FeCl2 plus 2HCl. Gain of electron Cl2 plus 2 electron negative gives 2Cl. Positive electric charge decrease or negative charge increase in oxidation number. Or reducing agent, reductant, substance which supply hydrogen or removes oxygen, it is itself oxidized. Types of redox reaction: combination, decomposing, displacement, and disproportionation. For combination, these involve combination of two or more atoms gives single product. The product मिला के product देखती है MgO2 gives MgO. For decomposition the involves splitting of compound into two or more simpler compounds. However, all such reactions are not the decomposition reaction. For example, 2H2O2 gives on heat or 2H2 plus O2 ions divided. Displacement reaction, these involve displacement of one atom or ion by another. Metal displaced reaction, here one metal displaces the other metal. Cu plus 2AgNO3 gives 2AgCuNO3 a whole twice. For non-metal displacement, here non-metal is displaced by non-metal or metal by or non-metal. Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2O. This proportion reaction, these reactions the same element is oxidized as well as reduced. 4KClO3 gives 3KClO4 plus KCl. For titration, the titration involved redox reaction are called redox titration. Titration of MnO4 with Fe positive or Cu2O4 negative. Dinegative iodometric titrations are called iodometric titrations. For ion electron method, MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 H2O plus Cl2. Ionic form MnO2 plus H positive plus Cl negative Mn di positive plus H2O Cl2. Half reaction Cl negative gives Cl2. MnO2 H positive plus H positive gives Mn di positive plus H2. Balance half reaction 2Cl negative gives Cl2 MnO2. 4H positive gives Mn di positive plus 2H2. Addition of electrons in balance reaction, 2Cl negative gives Cl2 plus 2 electron MnO4 plus 4H positive plus 2 electrons is Mn di positive or 2H2. Addition of both half reactions, 2Cl plus MnO2 plus 4H positive gives Cl2 Mn di positive plus 2H2. MnO2 plus 2Cl H positive 2Cl gives Cl2 plus Mn di positive 2Cl or 2H2O. Molecular formula MnO2 plus 4HCl MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. Application of redox in combustion. CH4 burns oxidation with oxygen. CH4 plus CO2 gives CO2 2H2. CH4 is reducing agent, oxygen oxidizing agent on bleaching. NaCl is used as the oxidizing agent in bleaching of clothes. Remove stains. H2O2 is used for the oxidizing agent to bleach dark hair. In battery, Daniell cells Zn oxide by transferring 2 electrons to Cu positive ions, which are reduced. Zn plus Cu positive is Zn positive plus Cu solid. In metallurgy, sulfide minerals are converted to oxide by roasting. 2Zns minus plus 3O2 gives on heat 2ZnO plus 2H2O SO2. In corrosion, rusting of iron is its oxidation of oxygen of air in presence of moisture. 4Fe plus 3O2 gives H2O, 2FeO2 O3 dot H2. In respiration, the process of breathing and using oxygen for biological redox reaction is called respiration. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Here we done the chapter. Don't forget to like the video and comment below for more updates. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we completed redox reaction. Bye bye guys.